Watch this video until the very end to discover how shifting your consciousness in the correct direction will lead you to great successes in your life. Before we begin, I would like to welcome you back to Rewire Reality. Please don't forget to subscribe as we upload new videos daily. A massive shift. Scientists have long known that without proper controls, we always find what we expect to find. In other words, the scientific community long ago discovered that there is a natural tendency to see only what we expect to see and ignore everything else. Amongst scientists, they have very elaborate systems called blinds and double blinds to make sure this doesn't happen. But amongst the world at large, there's nothing to protect us from seeing whatever it is we think we're going to see, regardless of what's right in front of our noses. For example, if you believe that human beings are born into original sin and are inherently evil, then you're going to see proof of that everywhere. Everywhere you look, you're going to see examples of people being evil, because that is what you expect to see. This is the core shift the New Thought movement is hitting the world with. People are inherently good. You see what you are taught to see. One of the great things about life is how perfectly our expectations seem to line up with reality. There's no getting around it. If you think everyone is evil and out to get you, then that's what you're going to be seeing everywhere you go. Imagine a world where 60% of the world's religions teach children that they are born sinners in a world of sinners under the rule of an angry, wrathful God. What do you think those children will see in the world around them as they go through life? If we raise them to believe that they are evil people born into a world of evil people, there is no doubt they will see evil all around them. Now, imagine a world where children are taught that they are born glorious and divine beings in a world of glorious and divine beings watched over by a divine and benevolent God. What sort of world will they grow up seeing all around them? The impact of the New Thought movement. Some people like to think that we humans as a species are headed for a great catastrophe. They see evil everywhere and villains lurking behind every corner. I wonder what they were taught as children. While some movements seek to overthrow others, the New Thought movement is radically gentler than that. You see, New Thought adherents really do see good in the world and its people everywhere they look, so they feel no need to overthrow or destroy anyone or anything. In the wake of catastrophe, they see people pulling together to support one another. In the face of doom, they see people banding together to protect one another. In every situation, you can always find the good in people if that's what you're looking for. Over the last 150 years, the New Thought movement has set about changing society by inspiring subtle changes to our core philosophies from within. In 1948, New Thought adherents were instrumental in the passing of the United Nations Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which ensures equal rights across genders and race for all human beings. First, we had to see the good in ourselves, then the good in the people all around us. From there, we were able to make it into a global law. As equality has replaced slavery, little by little the idea of original goodness is replacing original sin, and the consciousness of civilization is evolving. A world where people see and bring out the good in one another is closer than you might think. After all, just 160 years ago we still thought slavery was an okay thing to do. Now it's a distant memory. We've already grown a lot as a species, and we're only just now at the beginning of all the wonderful things yet to come. If you've made it this far and you believe in the concepts of the New Thought movement, then please leave a like. Also, please subscribe as we upload new videos daily. Thank you.